are going to add a little touch of bling to our generator exhaust pipe. This is the generator exhaust pipe, and this is a stainless steel polish chrome tip by Gibson. The part number you'll find in the info section in the video. We're gonna put this right here. That's gonna require us to cut this exhaust pipe here, so we can now slide this and still keep it at the proper extension away from the coach. So let's get started. A new chrome tip for our exhaust, generator exhaust. A little bit of bling, a touch of bling there. It works fine, quick and easy. Another successful project by Team Roche RV.